Welcome back to the crypto nest. So Agix, as you can see, the RSI is still in decline. We had one green candle in the MACD, and now we're back in the red momentum, so negative momentum. But the encouraging thing is now I can start to invalidate some counts, because if you remember, I said maybe this was A, the B, and the C, and now this is already the beginning of the new impulsive movement. So I put that option there, and I said if this is the 1 and the 2, this is the 3, and then if that is the case, this was the ideal retracement for a wave 4. We actually broke out from this retracement, so this is not a wave 4, and I'm going to invalidate this count, and I am going to say that the correction is not finished yet, and this was indeed the wave B, and this is not a good count, and the blue count is not there and is gone now. Alright, so now we can say that this was the A, this was the B, and then we need to complete the C. As you can see, also we are moving on the side, and this channeling upper trend channeling, and I'm expecting another lower low and reach this ideal retracement for the wave count in blue. So now I remember that I made a few hypotheses, so let me see. Okay, so this retracement, it's taking in consideration that this was a 1 and 2, and this was by itself a 1, and it's going to do is 2, so this is another way to count it. It would be a little bit more bullish, I would say. Or if I think this was the yellow one, and this retracement is going to take into consideration this was the 1, 2, this was the 3, very short wave 4 and wave 5, and now we're still doing the pullback ABC. So the ABC is still work for either if I take this as a 1, 2, or if I take this as a bigger wave and find my 5 waves within this impulsive movement. But I just put it in because it can be possible, but it's a little bit hard to find a 1, 2 in here. But I just keep the option because they are very young coins. Structurally, they are very hard, and also that's micro counting, in 1 hour, so it's not very reliable. But I would prefer the green count. All right. So if that is the case, actually, I say green count, but this is yellow, so let's stick with green. So ideally, I would say I am expecting price to reach between 35 cents and, well, here I cannot even see it anymore. Let me pull back this. Do it like that. Okay. I don't believe we're going to go that low, but I wouldn't mind to get from where, I don't know, 35 to 28 cents, no problem, very possible. But the other, if I just take this impulsive movement and do the Fibonacci retracement, the ideal retracement would be between 41 and 27 cents. Now, if we put that aside, let's go in more in detail. We can see that after we reach this ideal retracement for the wave B, can we count some waves? Well, I would say this is a 1, this is the 2, and this is very nice wave 3. So yeah, okay, so let's see and try to invalidate this movement. So this would be the beginning of wave 1, and this would be the wave 2. So we actually, as you can see, retrace in the ideal area for the wave 2. All right, so if that is the case, let's see a Fibonacci extension just for fun. If this was the one and this is the end of the wave 1 and this is the end of wave 2, look at that, bend on the 1.618, we reacted to that line. All right, so who said Fibonacci retracement don't work, right? Okay, now I'm going to calculate the wave 4. So here, did I make the changement here? Don't remember. Wave 4, okay. Okay, so we actually already reached the minimum requirement for the wave 4. And so now we are expecting this another movement, maybe the 5th one, or maybe it's going to make even an extension, who knows. So if we do that, can we calculate, if we say that this is the end of the wave 4, now I can even make a few hypotheses or projections. So if I take the length of the wave 1 and I add it to the wave 4, it's going to bring us to 40 cents 4. So let's say 40 cents enough. So this would be, should I put a line maybe? Let me see. So this would be the ideal retracement. And maybe I'm going to put a comment. One to one, A to C. All right. So now, what else can I do? I can also, what did I want to do? Yes, the extension. So let me do the beginning of the wave 1 to the end of the wave 1 to the end of the wave 2. And we're going to look for the 2.618. So this would be the other area where we can expect price to go. Now that's, yeah, I think this is not very realistic because, you know, yeah, the wave 5 would be very, very long. But, you know, I'm going still to put it because okay, so off extension fib. Okay, so at least I don't have to redo it anymore, and then it's going to be very clear for the next time. For let's see, just for fun, which area we're going to reach. So this count, at least now I can put it here. So we did the 1, and actually the 1 was a little bit lower, and then we did the 2, it was at that area, and then you see I was very optimistic, but okay, so we reached the wave 3 here, and the wave 4 it's here, and I would say now the wave 5 would be here. So as you can see, you know, like you know, it's amazing how sometimes or often Fibonacci extension and retracement works very well. So now we can we have some confluence on this price. Oh my God, where is the okay? So I would say for sure we're going to reach the 0.5. I should never say for sure, but hey, I'm risking it. Okay, so yeah, I'm very confident that we're going to reach the 0.5 and more likely reach this level at 40 cents 3. Okay, so this is pretty much all for Agix for today. I'm not expecting, honestly, any big movement because now it's going to be a weekend. So we don't have any major announcement today. I don't, yeah, so just take it easy, have a nice weekend, and we'll see next week how the market is going to behave. All right, have a good weekend again. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.